Hi everyone, this is Paul from Raytime Machinery. Today I'd like to showcase our C-type fin press machine with CFD65 model. On this machine, we equipped with a fin die size 9.52mm, pitch 25.4, and load distance is 22, with a total 12 loads with 2 progress. On the fin die installation structure, we designed with the hydraulic lifting structure. It will be more easier to push the fin die into the machine. On this machine, we equipped with 2.2 meters length stacker length with the 2 motors, suction motors. Okay, next let me show you how this machine running.